Morning everyone. Today is the subject accountancy. We will learn chapter 5 subsidiary book. Today's topic difference between debit note and credit note. Okay? Difference between debit note and credit note. Actually, in the previous class we will learn what is debit note and what is credit note, and today's we will explain difference between debit note and credit note. First is preparation. Actually, debit note is prepared by customer and credit note is prepared by supplier. Information. Debit note is provide information that by what amount the supplier account has been debited in also it cases, and the credit note provides information by what amount to the customer account has been credited and also its cases. The next is debit note. Return of goods. Actually, posting is done in purchase. Posting is done in purchase return book when goods are returned, which facilitated in preparing debit note. In fact, posting made on the basis of debit note in purchase return book. Credit note. Credit note is prepared on the basic of recording made in the sales return books. In case of goods return, posting is made on the basis on credit. Next, preservation of record. Preservation for record. Debit note. A copy of debit note is preserved as record, and the credit note, one copy of credit note is also preserved at record. देखो बच्चों, मैंने आपको डेबिट नोट और क्रेडिट नोट के बारे में बताया था पहले की क्लास में कि जो डेबिट नोट होता है, जब परचेज़र सेलर को गुड्स रिटर्न करता है तो एक नोट बना के भेजेगा जिसे हम डेबिट नोट कहेंगे. जो डेबिट नोट है वो कस्टमर 2 कॉपी में प्रिपेयर करता है. 1 कॉपी जो होता है वो रिकॉर्ड के लिए अपने पास रखता है और जो अदर कॉपी होता है वो सेलर को भेजता है. तो डेबिट नोट एक्चुअली प्रिपेयर करता है कस्टमर, और डेबिट नोट तब बनाता है जब वो परचेस किया हुआ गुड्स को सेलर को रिटर्न करता है. क्रेडिट नोट जो है वो एक्चुअल में प्रिपेयर करता है सप्लायर सेलर, और वो जो है जब उसको गुड्स रिसीविंग होती है तो रिसीविंग की जानकारी देने के लिए वो जो है क्रेडिट नोट बना के भेजता है परचेज़र को. ओके, दोनों ही 2-2 कॉपियों में बनाई जाती हैं, डेबिट नोट भी और क्रेडिट नोट. देन नेक्स्ट इज व्हाट इज़ द मीनिंग ऑफ बिल्स रिसीवल बुक. एक्चुअली इफ बिजनेस डीलिंग समटाइम गुड्स आर सोल्ड ऑन क्रेडिट, the amount are paid through bills. Businessmen maintain a record of such bills, research a separate book which is called bills receivable book. जब बिजनेसमैन सप्लायर उधार माल बेचता है, क्रेडिट सोल्ड करता है, तो कस्टमर से वो एक बिल रिटर्न कराता है. उस बिल का रिकॉर्ड वो एक अलग से बुक में करता है, दैट इज़ कॉल्ड परचेस, दैट इज़ कॉल्ड bills receiving book. Then next is bills payable book. The amount paid to creditor through all exchange and record in separate book are called bills payable book. Okay, once again, bills receivable book. In business dealing, sometimes goods are sold in credit and the amount are paid through bills. Business maintain a record. Such bills received is a separate book is called bills receivable, and the bills payable, the amount paid to credit those bill of exchange in record in a separate book is called bills payable. Okay, thank you.